My name is Susanna. I am a wireman through IBEW 1547. Wiremen work in just about every aspect of the building process. We're the first on the job and we're the last to leave. We establish temporary power. We hook up motors, lights, power. A good high school friend called me one day and said, I signed up to be inside wireman with the IBEW. And I said, what? You got a degree in illustration? She said, I know, but I think this sounds really great. As time went on and I was unhappy with my job, I thought about what she said and I put in an application and interviewed well, and here I am. Nobody told me in high school about a trades program, and after going to college for 6 years, I found out through a friend about the apprenticeship and that I got paid while I was training. And I was like, what? It's amazing. All I had to do was buy my books and my tools, and I got about 5 years of paid training. I use a lot of math in my job, everything from arithmetic, adding and subtracting fractions, to trigonometric functions when I'm bending conduit, and I use physics to understand what electricity is doing, what I can expect. Staying up to date in technology is increasingly important in the electrical field because we have systems that are running differently than the systems of 20 years ago. For IBEW, we have to have a Class A CDL, which is a tractor-trailer license. You can get that once you apprentice. You don't have to have it in order to apprentice. We get a OSHA 10 certification, which is 10-hour safety class, and we get training through IBEW to work on the North Slope. I work on a lot of different kinds of systems in a building, and I might be working on fire alarm one day, and I might be hooking up a big generator the next. I like that diversity, and it keeps the job interesting and keeps me learning. If you like to work with your hands and you like building things and you're detail-oriented, I think it could be a good trade.